Hi, my name is Jennifer Politi and I am the proud principal of Sherman High School. I am so excited that Kelly Walton has been chosen as the Employee of the Month for January. Kelly's our instructional technology specialist on our campus. Kelly came from the classroom a couple of years ago and moved into this position and has embraced it. He helps our teachers in the classroom with any of their instructional needs. He also goes above and beyond to create personal videos for their classrooms, helps our counselors out with their videos for trainings. He also goes as far as taking students in and mentoring them in learning his trade. Kelly is one of our biggest supporters on campus of bringing campus morale up and giving continual support not only to our teachers but our students. Congratulations, Kelly. We are so excited that you are part of the Bearcat family.